Hello and welcome to Microsoft Hates Greg. My name is Greg Deckler, and today we have something to celebrate, right? And yes, today is day 4,677. That measure totals in table and matrix visuals have been broken, right? And no, we're not celebrating poor taxidermy today, or subpar taxidermy. No, today actually, I think is something that I'm celebrating, and I think everyone that has been with me on this journey. I think you deserve to take a moment, pat yourself on the back, and celebrate. Because today, 4,677 is a bit special. So at some point during the day, right, I don't have very many daily routines, maybe a Wordle, Quordle, New York Times mini, crossword puzzle or something like that. But at some point during the day, right, I find time to post the measure total meme, right? Well, the other thing that I do in that is then I go check the ideas forum. And I go check on my idea to see, has it moved up in any votes and that sort of stuff. Well, apparently between yesterday and today, um, there was a momentous change, and I'll show it to you. So if we scroll down here, you can see here's table matrix grand totals with measures, right? And you can see I'm on page 2. That means that officially, as of today, this idea is a top 20 idea. Now, when I started this, and I can show you the math on this because I have the date of my original, so the day is 4,677. The very first meme that I posted was day 4,104, which means I've been at this for 573 days. Now I haven't posted, a meme every day during that time. There was a short break, I think, when we hit the top 50, and that was like my cutoff point. And so I stopped the meme campaign. And then Microsoft yoinked my MVP status, so I just why not? We'll just fire it back up again. So I mean, and that's only been maybe like a year ago that I really started the meme campaign back up, and we've already moved from 50 to top 50 to top 20, right? And I want to show you just how important this is. Okay, so if we click on the top 10, right? You can see here under review planned, 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 planned. So 5 of the top 10 are planned, so 50%. Okay. If we move to the top 20, you can see planned, 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 planned. So again, 50%. Now, if we go to top 30, so between 21 and 30, right? Lots of needs, some needs votes. There's a planned, there's a planned. So it drops dramatically to 20% of these ideas are planned. And if you go even further down the line, right, there's not a single one of these ideas is planned. And you go to top 50, and again, not a single one of these is planned. So that's a big achievement to get into the top 20, especially again, 560 some odd days ago. I mean, this idea right here had like 24 votes, right? That's it. That's all it had. It was buried in, with like 30,000 different ideas that are out there. So I want to thank everyone that has voted for this idea. I think I answered like maybe 5 measure total questions in the forums yesterday alone. It's a daily occurrence. It's a daily hassle. It's a pain. Any self-respecting BI software product should be able to handle this elegantly, not through code. So it's a big day. I'm happy about it. Happy to share this with you. Congratulations, everybody. If you haven't voted for this idea, the link will be in the description of this video. So go vote. That's all I had for this video. Hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you next time.